Welcome, fitness enthusiasts and wellness seekers. Today, we're diving into the world of Johnson Health Technology, a global powerhouse driving innovation in the fitness industry. Home to some of the most respected names in the game, including Matrix, Vision, and Horizon, JHT is constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in achieving your health and fitness goals. At the heart of JHT's commitment to excellence lies the Matrix range. Designed for both commercial and premium home use, Matrix equipment combines cutting-edge technology with exceptional durability and user-centric design. But JHT's vision extends beyond just building great machines. They're building ecosystems for success, as demonstrated by their latest advancements. This groundbreaking digital ecosystem is designed to empower gym owners with unparalleled flexibility and control. Imagine managing your facility from anywhere, optimizing operations, and gaining valuable insights to help your members achieve their goals. While the full spectrum of features continues to evolve, the connected solution promises to streamline everything from equipment monitoring to member engagement, creating a smarter and more efficient fitness environment. But innovation doesn't stop in the digital arena. Meet the Matrix Performance Plus treadmill, setting a new benchmark for comfort and reliability. Feel the difference with its shock-absorbing slat belt and high-efficiency drive system, providing a smooth and solid feel, even during your toughest workouts. Built to last, this treadmill is engineered for exceptional durability, minimizing maintenance and maximizing your uptime. And with the Pure Stride cushioning system, every run feels comfortable and natural. Plus, with Wi-Fi connectivity and optional Apple Watch integration, tracking your progress and accessing your favorite content has never been easier. Next up, experience a revolution in low-impact, full-body workouts with the Matrix Performance Ascent Trainer. This innovative elliptical allows you to customize your movement pattern, focusing on effort and results without the constraints of a fixed ellipse. Its patented suspension design and variable stride lengths deliver a natural, quiet, and incredibly smooth experience, even when you ramp up the incline to target specific muscle groups. Whether you're aiming to train harder or engage more muscles while protecting your joints, the Ascent Trainer is your ultimate partner. But JHT's commitment to your well-being extends far beyond Matrix. Their comprehensive brand family includes Bowflex and Schwinn Fitness, leaders in home strength and cardio. Horizon offers quality fitness solutions for every home. Indulge in luxury health and relaxation with Cinca Wellness and the renowned Fuji Ryoki massage chairs. For personalized fitness journeys, there's Johnson Fitness and Wellness, and Treo Wellness supports sustainable healthy habits. Even your hearing health is considered with SyncLink. This diverse portfolio ensures that no matter your fitness level, budget, or lifestyle, JHT has a solution for you. JHT's dedication to global health extends to their active participation in the Go Healthy with Taiwan 2025 campaign. This initiative showcases Taiwan's leadership in smart health, medical innovation, and sports technology on a global scale. As a proud Taiwanese enterprise, JHT is at the forefront, demonstrating how their cutting-edge Matrix products exemplify Taiwan's commitment to precision engineering and user-centric design in the fitness sector. This involvement underscores JHT's commitment to not only its own innovation, but also to promoting Taiwan as a global leader in fitness technology. From the revolutionary Matrix connected solution to the cutting-edge Performance Plus treadmill and Ascent Trainer, Johnson Health Technology continues to drive innovation and empower individuals and businesses on their wellness journeys. With a diverse family of trusted brands and a commitment to global initiatives like Go Healthy with Taiwan, JHT is shaping the future of health and fitness. Like this video, share it with your fitness community, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates on health and wellness innovation.